Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto sidho tielo mar adek mar omenda majolo dongruok mag uchumi kod ohala e pacho ka ne ojende midendo ni Nyota. Ruto koni pesano ok mi jo Kenya moyiero chung' ma siasa kaka yor lombo gine sero sirikal to ne jiwo yore gi mag yuto. E tielo mar adek ma Nyota, jatend piny Kenya William Ruto sidho chenrono mageto jolo uchumi kod ohala ne rowere nyasi mane obagi e kaunti ma Nyeri. Kabiruini Showground.
Top shot ngozi, mimi sina mengine ila
Nyeri mpo. Sasa nataka nimuulize jamaa wa 40 years. Wewe umetoa pesa ngapi kwa vijana wangapi in your 40 years? You know? And unajua kuna watu wanaishi in utopia. There are people who believe 50,000 is very small money. Yes, it is small money to you and maybe your children, but it is not small money to these people.
Hakuna pesa kidogo, hakuna pesa nyingi. Pesa ni vile utatunza mahali umepata msaada wa kuanzisha maisha yako. I want to encourage our young people to take whatever you're receiving today as the first step towards transforming your lives. It is possible to start small and grow big.
Wale ambao wanawaambia shilingi 20,000 haiwezi kufanyia chochote kwa biashara. I want you to show them that with the training that you have acquired, that it is possible not only to transform your own lives, but to become employers, industrialists, future captains of industry from that humble beginning of 22,000 shillings.